Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on investing.com. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the investing.com application on your device, and once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, you can tap on the More option at the bottom right corner and then log into your account by tapping on the Login option at the top left. After using your credentials to log in, you will be taken into your homepage, from which within the More menu, you can scroll down and then tap on Settings. Once you tap on Settings, you will find various different options, including the option to delete your account at the very end. If you wish to delete your investing.com account, go ahead and tap on Delete Account. And now you will be asked one final time for confirmation to delete your account. Tap on the red Confirm button, and now this will continue forth with deleting your account. You might need to provide the verification code that will be sent within your email address that you used to sign up for your investing account. So go ahead and type in the verification code, and once your identity has been verified, your investing.com account will be deleted permanently. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on the investing.com platform. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.